Hey everybody, I'm out here in Yellowstone National Park again today. I'm at a spot called Pelican Creek, and wouldn't you know it, there's pelicans out here. There's a whole, I guess you'd call them a flock. I'm not sure what you call a flock of pelicans. But there's a whole flock of them over here, all huddled up in the water, and once one goes down, the rest of them go down. They all dive down for water. For fish. And looking through my binoculars earlier, I saw one of them pull up a fish. I thought, well, cool. It'd be a good opportunity to maybe get some good close-up shots because they're not that far off the road, just in the water. And they just keep going back and forth, back and forth. So I shot some video. I saw them catch a couple little things, nothing big that I don't think is going to stand out on the video. And I got some pretty good pictures of them, being that they were so close. I got some pretty good clear ones. So stick around. I also got a little otter over here swimming. I don't think it was a very good picture. And the weather has changed. It was drizzly and rainy when I first got here, real cloudy, and then the sun popped up. There's still a lot of clouds in the sky. And it's pretty chilly. It's about 50 degrees right now, but that wind's blowing and it's making it feel a little colder. So I'm going to see what else I can find. If I don't find anything else, then this will just be, I guess, a pelican video. So if there's something more, then I'll share it. Stick around.